The following portion of Ozarks Fox AM is sponsored by Midwest Technical Institute.
It is Healthcare Professionals Week, and we are so excited to welcome Melissa Weiner, the Vice President of Operations at Jordan Valley Community Health Center. It is so great to have you, Melissa, and happy Health Professionals Week.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks for coming in and getting up early for us.
Yes, it was early.
So, Jordan Valley Community Health Center has a unique focus in the healthcare landscape. So, tell us about your mission.
We really are focused on providing quality health care to the underserved in the populations that we serve. So we serve several communities, in addition to Springfield, Lebanon, Hollister, Republic, and Marshfield communities.
Oh, wow, that's a big area.
Yes, 9 locations, and we also have school-based clinics as well as mobile units that serves the different communities in the area.
How hard is that to organize?
It is not easy, and we do provide a lot of services to kiddos in the area that wouldn't otherwise get services. So,
Oh, that's great.
yes.
Go ahead.
Oh, I was going to say, so what kind of services are you seeing maybe more of over, what services are you providing the most, would you say?
Yeah, so we provide medical, dental, vision, behavioral health, and occupational physical therapy services in all of our clinics.
When you saying you're helping these kids and even adults that may not receive health care, how does that help our community in a broader sense?
So we really look to all of the dollars that we spend on providing primary care and preventative care really helps in the downstream. So helps with emergency room services, helps with keeping people out of the emergency room, helps with keeping kiddos out of, so when we go into the school early in services, then we're providing and creating healthy habits early so that hopefully we can build successful adults.
For sure. And speaking of kids becoming adults, that's kind of like what's on the horizon for Jordan Valley.
Yeah, so we have a lot of new services that we are looking at. Over this summer, we're doing a new electronic health record, which will provide portal access for our patients and also the same health record that other area healthcare centers are using. So hopefully that will help integrate services for our patients across the board, as well as we are getting ready to open a PACE center, which is I have to look at my paper for just one second because PACE is the program of all-inclusive health care for elderly. So we will take over their health care. They will also have a day center in one of our buildings here in Springfield. So that's on the horizon. We will have more to talk about later in the summer with that service, but we're really excited about that for our community.
What are you seeing with healthcare professionals? We're so thankful they're here doing what they do because health is so important. Are they feeling overwhelmed? Are you seeing a lot of people coming into the field?
After COVID, we have the workforce has been very small for a while. We are starting to see more people wanting to come back into the healthcare field, but for a minute, dental assistants, medical assistants, nurses were a little bit hard to find. And so we're just starting to feel a little bit of relief from that. Most people after COVID were wanting to work from home, and that wasn't a big, when we serve patients, we don't get to work from home. And so, but we are starting to see a little bit of a reprieve or a relief from that workforce shortage just recently.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is something we had mentioned yesterday, but these are such good career paths because everyone needs medical, dental, vision, mental health care, So would you say that even though you've seen an uptick recently, is it going to continue to grow and keep growing, this career field?
That's hopeful. We're hopeful for that. And we really try to focus a lot on getting into the high schools or junior highs to start talking about healthcare early and letting kids know that not every you know, a lot of times you're a doctor or a dentist but there are so many other options. You can be a dental assistant, you can be a pharmacy tech, you can be an MA or an LPN or an RN. So there's a lot of options. And so we try to get into the junior highs, high schools to start talking to the kids early about what do they want to be. And so I think that helps a lot as well. And really we have MA program that we do, and a dental assistant program, so a medical assistant and dental assistant program that we run and operate. So we build our own also, which helps a lot. So.
Oh, wow. And you said you're talking to the middle school and high school students, and then you're also seeing a lot of elderly people at the clinics. How can people find which area they could go to, because you have so many great locations throughout the Ozarks? How do they find out where they can go if they need medical assistance?
Sure. So we have our website, jordanvalley.org, and it has all of our locations, addresses, phone numbers, services that are provided at every location. So that's the best place to go to find anything.
Is that the website there? There we're looking at it. Yeah, because
Yes.
I think it'd be challenging, like, oh, what does each location do? What services can I get at this specific location, whether it be Hollister or Marshfield or where it may be? And we thank you so much for what you're doing, first of all.
Yeah.
And you're helping so many people in this community who otherwise might not get it.
Yes.
Which is important. And thank a healthcare professional. Really, seriously, thank somebody
Yes.
today. Because I remember during COVID, it was very hard. Because, like, we need doctors. I need to see you. And we were doing Zoom calls, though, too, for a while with doctors. But I was like,
Oh, yeah.
there's something about being in the room with the assistant, with the nurse, with the doctor, with the dentist that kind of puts you at ease, too.
Yes, absolutely. Yes, we did a lot of virtual visits, a lot of curbside services during COVID, and you know, a lot of good things came out of that. We learned that we can do those things, and we learned different options or opportunities to serve patients. But most patients want to be in the room with their provider.
Yeah.
That's
Yes.
awesome. One more time for our viewers, the website that is best way to reach you.
jordanvalley.org. Yes.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much.
Good to see you. Thank you
Yes.
so much. All right, don't go anywhere. So much more fun on Ozarks Fox AM right after this. Yes, I like. The preceding portion of Ozarks Fox AM was sponsored by Midwest Technical Institute.